Hello everyone, my name is Joan Sebastián Bahamon Salazar, and now I am going to tell about the Introduction to Translation Studies by Bolaños Cuellar, is 2016. Chapter 5 Kunis and Catford, Foundations of a Linguistic Theory of Translation. John Kunison Catford deeply analyzed translation from a linguistic perspective, making it clear that it is about finding equivalences that maintain the meaning and function of the original text. Catford emphasizes that the goal is not just to find similar words, but to ensure that the message retains its meaning within the structure and the various standards of the language into which it is translated. However, this is not always easy, since each language has its own way of organizing ideas. One of the most important key concepts in this chapter is textual equivalence, which refers to the functional relationship between parts of the text in both languages. Uh, Catford points out that textual equivalence can occur at different levels: lexical, grammatical, phonological, or even structural. But finding a perfect equivalence is not always possible, so the translator must make several adjustments to ensure that the message is clear and natural in the target language. Uh, Catford differentiates between a complete translation, in which all the content of the original text is transferred, and an incomplete one, in which only one part is translated. He also introduces the concept of shifts, which are the inevitable changes that occur when translating due to structural differences between languages. Catford points out that words themselves do not yet an isolated meaning, but rather depend on the environment in which they are used. And this means that a good translator must not only know the various rules of the language, but also consider cultural, social, and situational factors in order to convey the message correctly. Chapter 12 Susan Basnet, André Lefebvre, and Itamar Eben-Zohar, Literary Translation and Cultural Studies. Susan Basnet, André Lefebvre, and Itamar Eben-Zohar also propose that translation is a great key tool in the evolution and transmission of different cultures. Chapter 12 explores how literary translation is deeply influenced by the culture, ideology, and context in which it is produced. Susan Basnet is one of the most influential figures in translation studies. In 1980, he published Translation Studies, a very important book that helped to consolidate this discipline as a large independent field of study. Susan Basnet, together with Lefebvre, in 1990 she edited Translation History and Culture, where they introduce the cultural tour in translation studies. This perspective argues translation is not only a question of linguistic equivalence, but also involves understanding the cultural and social. Um, André Lefebvre delved into how power and ideology influenced translation. He argued that translators are conditioned by various external factors such as politics, public expectations, and editorial decisions. Itamar Eben Sohar developed the grand theory of polysystems, which explains how translate words interact with different national literatures. According to this theory, translations can occupy a central or peripheral place in a literary system depending on the historical context.